I'm Mitch and I'm a Balisong flipper. I've been doing this for about 1.5 years. Balisong is a knife with 2 handles on 2 pivots, and as you can see, you can do lots of fun movements with it. Balisong was invented in the Philippines. Currently what I'm using is called the Balisong B400. It's kind of lightweight in the body. As you can see, the handles are kind of elongated along with the blade. Uses end spacers for balance, and the blade is such that it keeps most of its mass towards the end. Thus it has gyroscopic stability when it's spinning. Generally, if you get into this, I advocate spending money on the hobby that's proportional to your skill level and your dedication. I don't advise, walking right out the door and buying a $300 Balisong before you really know what to do with it. Yeah, what we're looking at is the Benchmade 5.1 and the Bradley Kimura. These two handle quite differently when they're flipped. Yeah, obviously there's a diverse range that you can make these things in. That's going to be called Hallie's Heart Attack. Shit. No! Damn it! Damn it! I'm so bad at tumbles. Ow!
Ah.
Poked me.
This is bad for my blood pressure.
Don't do it barefoot. I learned that the hard way because I dropped one into my toe and slashed the side of it. That was really bad times. Yeah, as you can see, I'm well protected at this point. The only real danger here is to my hands. I've never had to get stitches for this though. That's the good thing. I haven't had any casualties yet either. I haven't lost any blood, so I'm pretty happy about that. There's as many different ways to flip as there are flippers. I like that pluralism.